In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can dash here on a controller here in Blox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, what you're probably mistaking when you're trying to dash on a controller is the fact that there's not technically a dedicated dash button on a controller. To actually do this dedicated dash, you do have to go ahead and use your left analog stick. So while moving, you quickly just flick the stick forward and your character will dash. It does have to be a very fast movement, not just holding the stick down. And each dash is going to use energy, which you could see on the bar if I consistently do it, just like so. You can usually do a few dashes in a row before it does run out, and then of course it'll recharge and then you can get back to it. But the process really is as simple as that. Just keep flicking the left stick while moving to dash consistently, and that's really all you need to go ahead and do. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.